Hello everyone, I'm Demama. I'm a double degree master student of University of Miyazaki. Today, I wanted to present about a community approach to neighbor classifier and subpattern machines for image span classifications. This is my outlines. This is introductions. Now it is. Image is the first efficient and cost-effective with such digital communication for the information exchange. Since many people use the image in their daily life for the different purposes, the percentage of image usage has increased significantly. The following figure shows the global average annual rate of 5% from 2015 to 2019 for the image message sent and received per day. Spammers are trying to send the spam images into our inbox for subverting finance, for phishing, for threat invoking, and for advertising. Spam emails can spend our network bandwidth without our good times and consult the masturation means hours. The following figure shows the global email spam rate from 2015 to 2019, which is more than 50% of our email message all over the world. In order to detect the spam emails from incoming into a user inbox, how to deploy spam filters is a big research problem. What is the spam filters? Spam filter is a program with the certain criteria by removing the spam image, allowing the non-spam image into our inbox. Our automatic image spam filters place the filter rules for the image user around the world. There are two methods for image spam detections: standard-based detection and content-based detections. In the standard-based detections, image senders information such as usernames and email address are considered as the major features. This method has the lower accuracies because it's not possible to recognize all the potential spammers to detect receiving emails. For the content-based detections, senders and words from the image bodies or email contents are used as the main features. Content-based detection has the better performance than the standard-based detections in the classifications. Therefore, in this system, content-based detection is applied to classify the image into spam or ham. In order to filter the image into spam or hams, machine learning approach is the popular approach. In the machine learning approach, the existing machine learning algorithms and specific algorithms is used in order to learn the classification rules for the set of training data. This system proposes to use the two machine learning algorithms, neighbor classifier and subpattern machines, to differentiate between spam and ham images. I want to present the two research papers. The first papers predict whether the sentiments of the news article is positive or negative using the neighbor classifiers. This paper showed that the performance is not efficient because only small data was used. Another research papers propose subpattern measures to classify the new fields into sport, business, and entertainment. In their research, the accuracy is not high enough because they only use the 15 news instances from the newspaper for the training data. There are three objectives in this instance. First of all, we need to classify the image based on neighbor classifier and subpattern machines. After that, we need to find out which method can give the better performance. Finally, we classify the online image or real-time image into spans or hams by using the best method. An overview of the system is showing categories. There are two ways to classify the online image: training phase and testing phase. For the training phase, we retrieve the image from the error covers and we make the preprocessing and feature extractions. We train and test the features by using the neighbor classifier and subpattern machines. After that, we combine the performance of neighbor classifier and subpattern machines. We generate the best model. By using the best model, we classify the online image or real-time image into spans or ham. For the data collections, In this system, we use the purpose machine learning, so we have the ground truth data for each image. In order to perform the computational experiments, data are retrieved from the error image corpus. In order to train the image, we have used the 1000 images, 3000 images for the spans and 3000 images for the hems. For the testing image, we have used the 200 images, 100 images for the spans and 100 images for the hems. In this instance, we performed 8 different preprocessing steps by using the natural language processing techniques. First of all, we need to get the image payload or image body from the image data. The following figure shows the example of getting the image payload from the image. After that, we strip out the instrument text for the image payload. We change the acronym words to abbreviations that are used only for images. We convert orders to low. We eliminate the punctuation words to carry off the special characters such as $sign or star or and so on. We remove the non-meaningful words or non-English words to get the meaningful words by using the Warner dictionaries. And we lematize the word with the help of Warner lematizer. Finally, we take up the stoppers or common words in order to focus on the important word. After that, we need to make the feature extractions. Machine learning algorithm cannot work with the raw text data directly. We need to transform this text into numbers. In this system, we have used the Passover model as a feature extractor. Passover model specifies the frequency of words in the class, which are used as features in applying the machine learning models. Instead, we presented the words model in all the phrase. The following figure shows the example of Passover's model. In this system, we propose to use two machine learning algorithms, label classifier and sub-pattern machines. Label classifier is the first method. It is based on conditional probabilities and a family of probabilistic classifiers. In the label classifier, the effect of every feature is independent of every other features. The outcome of the classification is the class, such as spans or hems, with the highest probabilities. This is the equation for the Naive classifier. Another method is the sub-pattern machines. Sub-pattern machine is a statistical model based on the machine learning techniques with the ability to model the complex relationships among the variables. It is uniquely empowered through scanning functions for non-separable problems to higher dimensions to be separable problems. It is used to discriminate hem class from span class with the optimal hyperplanes that has the maximum margins to the nearest twin data point of any class called the supposed pattern. The following figure shows the example of sub-pattern machines. In this system, we have used the linear sub-pattern machines. It is shown that the data associated with the label as spans or hems can be separated linearly. It finds the linear separator can drive the decision functions. From the available samples, we have the small probabilities of misclassifying the future samples. This is the equation for the linear sub-pattern machine. This is the address specification for this instance. This is the software requirements for this instance. In this system, we have used the Python language and natural language toolkits for the preprocessing steps. In order to evaluate the performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, recursion, and measures of a classifiers, we have used the Commission metrics. These are the equations for the performance metrics. According to the figures, they have the high rigor value and low precision values. Therefore, label classifier classifies the many span images as hems. However, label classifier has the balanced classifications because most of the value of F measures are over 90% in the figures. According to the result in figure sample, the size of training images thousands can get the best accuracy, while combining with other sets of training images. Navy classifier is leading to slightly increase, while the training size began high. According to the research, robot training figured high records and high precision values. So it means that software machine has the sheer popularity in mixed classifications. High for low training data means that software machine to get the most efficient performance result in classification. According to the Western Connect, the accuracy of software machines became higher when the training size increased. It showed that 6,000 training images has the higher rate of accuracy in classifications. Based on the scientific guidance, we compared the Navy classifier and software machines accuracies. It showed that software machine has the better accuracy than the Navy classifiers on almost all sets of training images. So, after comparing the Navy classifier and software machines, it showed that software machine has the better performance than the Navy classifiers. So, in order to classify the online image into smells or hams, we have used the software machines. They are first an online image filters. First of all, we need to log into Gmail account by using the usernames and password, and the system fetches the new image from the Gmail account. And the system classifies the new image into spams or hams. If the image is hams, the system moves the image to the importance folder and remain it in the inbox. If the image is spams, the system automatically moves the image into spam folder and delete it in the inbox. This is the discussion for the Navy's classifiers. Navy classifier has the poor performance in common with the software machines because it only considers each feature is independent of every other features. In other words, if the numbers of hammers in one image label expense is higher than the numbers of spans, it leads to classifying ham images because of its nature. For the software machines, it has the better performance than the Navy's classifiers in the image span classifications because it completed the class by finding the optimal hyperplanes among the possible hyperplanes that separate two different classes. It represents the image in vector space in which each feature means one dimension. As a conclusion, in this instance, we propose to use two machine learning algorithms, Navy classifier and software machines, to classify the image based on the context or property of the image. After that, we compare two machine learning algorithms. According to the result classification analysis, software machine has the better performance than the Navy classifiers. In the better fighting span image, the system has been developed by using the software machines in order to filter the online image not to enter into the user inbox. As a limitations in this system, we only consider context or body of the image. In the future studies, image has a richer context than text such as image attachment file like that. They will also be considered by combining with the current system. Supervised machine learning is used in this system, so other supervised machine learning algorithms such as neural network and the forest will also be used to compare the performance with the existing systems. This is the reference. Thank you for your attention. If you want to ask any questions or discuss something concerning about these presentations, you may write the comments under this video and you can send the emails to this email address. I am willing to answer your questions.